Welcome back to my channel. Hey, look though, I don't believe in spending real money in game, but I am big Messi fan. How can I let this beautiful cards go?
Nice.
So I decided to open this pack. I really don't want the 2009 Messi as I had him in 2021. PS, and nor do I want the 2022 World Cup, the deep laying free Messi, but what I want is the 2015 Messi. He looks delicious, so let's get into the pack opening. Let me buy some coins to spend. All right, boys. So here, as you can see, I have almost 7,000 coins. As I have already spent 1,200 coins that I saved, I didn't record it, I pulled in Julian Alvarez from it. So let's go with our first spin. Imagine I pull a big time. On the first spin sounds crazy. Even though my luck is very bad, I'll still try to get it as soon as possible. Damn it, nothing. No problem. Let's try another one, bro.
Another one.
Oh, my God. Really not even a player of the week? At this point, I think. They don't want to give me anything. All right, boys, we're back now. We can continue with our pack opening. I don't know how, but my player's slot got full. So I bought some slots. Now there should be no problem regarding slots. But what use? They are giving no big time. I don't know what the fish is wrong with this game. Like I am here spending real money? Come on, give me one Messi. Oh, for God's sake. I might have to spend more for this. Come on, like it's 6K coins enough? To get one big time? Like what the hell? This is literally my fourth spin, and I have officially wasted 3,500 coins. Am I an idiot?
Another one.
Bro, I am going to cry. Why, Konami, you gold digger, why you won't give me a Messi any Messi? Oh my God. It might be, can it? Can it? It is. It is in big time Messi. Let's go. Please be the 2015 one. Oh, I think it is. Messi, yes, let's go, boys. We finally packed him. Thank you, God, he's so majestic. Subscribe as the review of this. Messi will be posted soon. And also let me know, should I go for the rest of the Messi? You know what? Let me just spin this remaining coins and see if I pull anyone. Damn it, nothing. Well, let's check out the 2015 Messi. Damn. He looks so majestic. Look at the stats after I upgrade him. The 103 dribbling is crazy, though. Damn! 99 kicking power. That's mental, fam. Ayo, son of God. I think what they mean is son of footballing God. Anyways, this Messi card is mental. The stats are crazy. I am excited to use him in my squad. To watch his review, subscribe to my channel, as I'll post his review soon. Until then, peace out.